All right, so here's my weekend project. So it was a crankshaft position sensor, which is all the way down there. Well, it turns out it wasn't the sensor. If you come through the side here and you go all the way down here, somewhere back behind, there's that sensor. Here's the connector from it. Somehow that little guy got broken off. So first brought the sensor up, then had to get a whole new wiring harness. So I left a little bit of slack there. But it's all done now. Now I just get to put it back together. It took us like 4 hours just to get this fan shroud out of here. Because when they put it together, obviously there was no radiator in front of it, so all the bolts are backwards. And I just get to do a bunch of yoga. So, super excited. $60 sensor. I replaced it while we're at it. This is the sensor. And $6 sensor and that little connector with 12 inches of wire. That was $107. Tight. Well, at least I'll have the tool truck back up and running again soon. At least the weather's not terrible either.